Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through plenty of videos on machine learning such as face detection and face recognition using OpenCV, FAIR library, DFace library, MTCNN, VGG Face 2 and VGG Face model and many more model, CNN, Keras, TensorFlow. We have seen lot of videos on attendance system using Streamlit, using OpenCV, using SQLite, using MySQL, using MongoDB with face login and many more. We have seen few videos on hand tracking also. We have seen few videos on steganography also, image steganography, then cryptography, public key and private key, and many more. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about virtual keyboard using Python. So let us go through the execution part first and then we will see the code. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you with tkenter. Now virtual keyboard is there. Now what I will type 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fine. Then 5. I want to delete it. Fine. S A M J A Y space bar. Fine. I will have M A H A J A N. Fine. Okay. So it is displayed here, Sanjay Mahajan. Fine. Now capital letter is possible. Yes. Y O U T U double B E R. YouTuber. No, sorry. YouTube Sanjay. S A N J A. So I successfully done with virtual keyboard using tkenter library using Python. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative ideas on machine learning using Python. So for latest update about machine learning using Python, keep watching my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.